Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. Today, we will guide you on how to create a territory in the selling module to organize your sales operations effectively. First, click on the selling module on the left sidebar of your dashboard to access the necessary tools for managing sales processes. Next, select Territory under the Settings menu. Territories help you segment your customer base geographically or based on specific criteria for targeted sales strategies. To create a new territory, click on the Add Territory button to start defining the territory details. Enter the territory name, specify the parent territory if applicable, and select the territory manager who looks after the sales of this region. Set territory targets by clicking the Add Row button and selecting Item Group, Fiscal Year, Target Quantity, Target Amount, and Target Distribution. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on the Save button to create the territory in your selling module. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new territory in Parsimony. You can now start assigning leads, opportunities, and customers to this territory for targeted sales campaigns. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating territories in the selling module of Parsimony. Stay tuned for more guides on maximizing the potential of your Parsimony system.